how to turn on notifications for Instagram. Hello, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, you will be learning how you can turn on notifications for Instagram. And this is how you can do so. First of all, log in into your Instagram account just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in and you're brought to your home page, you can see different posts by followers and all of that on Instagram. Then once you've done, you have to see all of this, move to the bottom right corner and click on your profile icon. And so, after clicking on your profile icon, you'll be brought to your profiles page. And so, on this page, the next thing that you should do is move to the top right corner where you can see three horizontal lines. If you cannot see yours, just scroll up this way and it will appear. All right, then once it appears, click on it, and you'll be taken to your settings and activity page. So on the settings and activity page, you would see a tab where you can see how to use Instagram. Under it, you can see notifications. Okay, now yours might be different. I need to mention that your settings might be different if you're using a regular account, because mine is a professional account. But just locate notifications on your settings and activity page. And so after once you're on the locations page, you can see the option push notifications, and mine is turned off. So if you want to turn it on, just click on this toggle, and then once it turns to white, um this box will be displayed asking you how long do you want to see notifications for. So if you want it to be 8 hours, 4 hours, 15 minutes, just select it. We may have select 15 minutes and then to load, and then just like that, your notifications will be turned on. And then if you want to turn it off or pause everything, just click on it, and once it turns black, it means that your notifications has been turned off. All right, so that is it. And then if you want to turn on notifications for emails, just click on email notifications, and you'll be taken to the page. All right, so yeah, you can decide to turn off all of this or turn on all of this if you want to. So that is it. Thank you for watching and have a good day.